What's going on, family? I have a beautiful home I want to show you, and it's located in Summerville, South Carolina, in the Nexton community. Now, I haven't done a big video just yet about Nexton, but it is the #1 community in all of America. Let me repeat that. Nexton community in Summerville, South Carolina, outside of Charleston, about 30 miles or so outside Charleston, is rated the #1 community in all of the United States. Real quick, to those of you who do not know me, I am Sir Ashley. I am a realtor and investor in the Carolinas. Both North and South Carolina, I have team members that can help you and assist you in your move. So if you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in the Carolinas, please reach out to my team and I. We help people on the daily basis make your transition to the Carolinas or within the Carolinas as seamless as possible. And we get calls, texts, emails, DMs from people all across the country at all hours of the night and day. So do not hesitate to reach out. We will get back to you. If it's late in the evening, of course, we won't get back to you right away, but we make it a point to get back to you as soon as possible. I want to show you a David Weekley home, the Bridges floor plan, and you can configure this however you want. It's starting off around $525 right now, $523.9. You can get it anywhere from a 3-bedroom up to a 5-bedroom, from a 2.5 bath up to a 4.5 bath. Enough of me talking. Let's go inside so you can take a look at the Bridges floor plan. Now, this Bridges floor plan is just under 2,700 square feet. Now, there are other David Weekley floor plans in this community, and they start off around 1,300 square feet, a little more than 1,300 square feet, and the price for those is under $400,000. Now, when you come inside this Bridges floor plan, you have a dining area. You can turn it into an office or use it as an office or a play area for kids. You also have a half bathroom. Now, again, I said you can configure this any way. You can turn that office area into a bedroom, and this can be a full bathroom. That's the sales rep. Absolutely amazing, kind person. If you have any questions, please reach out to my team and I, and we can put you in contact with the sales reps in the community. We want to make sure you are represented. You do have a drop zone coming in from the garage, and we are looking at the living room and kitchen area now. Look at all the cabinetry. Huge island, perfect for entertaining, and a lot of storage. Deluxe built-in appliances, gas cooktop range. I don't think you're gonna find this much cabinet space in a home this size, just under 2,700 square feet. Look at it. Take a look at the living room. You can choose to have a fireplace or not, totally optional. Now we're about to go outside. See the small covered area right here where you can entertain. And then you can choose to lay this out however you want. Now you can eat out here. You have a fire pit and a nice sized lot. Now let's head upstairs. Upstairs you have a loft area. Now, those of you who aren't familiar with the Carolinas, a loft, I believe, is absolutely needed. A lot of people from up north think it's a waste of space. I have kids. I like telling them to go upstairs into their living room, their loft area, where they can entertain and enjoy themselves without having to keep it in perfect condition, because I don't like stuff being left around in the downstairs living room. But we just left the bedroom, one of the secondary bedrooms, looking at a nice, generous laundry room. This is the full bath, tile up to the ceiling. This is another secondary bedroom. Just looking at the level of detail that David Weekley goes into building and constructing their homes. Now we're going into the owner's suite right now. So again, this owner's suite, beautiful tray ceiling. Take a look at this walk-in closet real quick. Now this has been a 3-bedroom. You can get this up to a 5-bedroom. And this is a 2.5 bath as shown in this model home, but you can get it up to a 4.5 bath. You're very flexible on how you want to customize your home. This is the owner's suite bathroom. Beautiful shower. Look at it, walk in. Dual vanity sink. Water closet. So if you have any questions regarding David Weekley homes in the Charleston area, in Summerville, in the NEXTON community, or any of the Carolinas, be sure to reach out to my team and I. We would love to be your advocates and represent you and make sure you get the best deal possible. And not just deal, of course we want that to happen, but to make sure your interests are being looked out for. These builder reps represent the builder. You are not their top priority. With us, your interest is our top priority to put you in the best position possible. Our number is on the screen. We look forward to hearing from you. Again, I'm Sir Ashley. Talk soon.